So it's just a few pieces in the front, but I gotta fix it.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please take your seats.
Getting MICROLOC extensions can cost thousands of dollars professionally, but lucky for you, I'm going to show you a method that I just thought of in the top of my head and tried it and it worked, and I'm going to show you how I did just that. So you just need some human hair and a instant lock type of needle, crochet needle, and also a regular smuggler old crochet needle. Now y'all, look, when I first opened this pack, believe it or not, I did not know that these people was going to give me a bunch of nappy roots in a ball like that. You see that? I was not expecting this hair to look like this. I didn't even know they sold hair like this. How you going to sell $60 worth of nappy kittens in a bag? But I worked with it. Basically, you're going to go like to the end of your lock or wherever you want your lock to be placed. And you see, I just poked a hole there, just kind of where you're going to have an entry of the hair. And you're basically going to crochet it through there. Make sure you go above the loose hair part. So make sure it's really stiff. So you'll need to do this on kind of mature hair. So you're just going to pull it through like you crocheting. You see there? And then you're just going to braid it down, all the way down. Or you can interlock it like you normally do with sister locks. Or you can do twist braids. You are basically finished here. You're just going to trim it to the length that you want and just cut away the flyaways. As you know, this was trial and error, but I did notice that I used too much hair, especially in the front. So you might want to use less hair, but if you don't, you can use that Instalock type needle, and we're going to basically interlock it inside of the hair. Just kind of take it and snag it from one side. I'm going to explain it later, but just pull it through so they can kind of be more flushed and uniformed. So what you're trying to do when you see the pieces hanging out, you just take the hook, go in here, and kind of not snag, but snag it inside of the hair, and it'll camouflage, kind of like when you're doing instant locks. And I like the way that it looks because it looks realistic, like your natural. And that's it. And you are done. That piece is done and out of my way. So now let's do a brief recap. All you have to do is just pull it through your lock, the base of your lock where it's sturdy. You're going to braid it all the way down, and then you're going to use that Instalock needle to kind of make it more flush, especially if you put too much hair like I did. Then you're just going to groom it and cut it to your liking, and baby, you ready to style and profile. I got so excited. I decided to do a braid out for the first time, and this is what it came out looking like. So yes, no more stubby pieces of MICROLOCS that does not fit in your ponytails. You can extend it with MICROLOC extensions at home, babe. You can do it. So if this video has been of any value to you, feel free to subscribe, share with your friends, your bros, babes. And if you decided to join, welcome to JazzyJennshighway. See you later, babe.